Unique, minimalistic design, unparalleled ease of installation and maximum connectivity. Presenting the Spelsberg Wallbox. Thanks to its compact and reduced design, the Spelsberg Wallbox fits stylishly and discreetly into any installation environment. Rounded edges, clean lines, and a framed front in high-gloss material give the Spelsberg Wallbox a robust and elegant overall composition. Charging at home has never been more beautiful. With its compact dimensions, the Spelsberg Wallbox is the perfect solution for space-saving installation. The generously designed installation space offers plenty of room for power supply connection, charging, and data cables. The free Spelsberg Wallbox app assists you with the complete configuration process. In just 3 easy steps, the system is ready to charge. The Spelsberg Wallbox is truly a skilled communicator. It can be securely integrated into the home network by Wi-Fi or Ethernet. With free over-the-air updates, the Spelsberg Wallbox independently keeps itself up to date with the ability to expand its range of functions in the future. The charging station is also able to communicate with energy management systems or external backend systems via OCPP, Modbus, and EE-Bus. With the Spelsberg Wallbox, your self-generated solar power becomes your fuel for e-mobility. Functions such as solar PV surplus charging and automatic phase switching enable it to communicate via standard protocols with inverters. This is how we define sustainability. The integrated authorization mode protects the charging station from unauthorized access. If desired, the charging process can be enabled via RFID chip, plug-in charge, or auto charge. The Spelsberg Wallbox constantly reports its current status. The charging process can easily be paused and continued from anywhere within the network. With the help of the integrated MID energy meter, the Spelsberg Wallbox records all charging events locally. On its own, the Spelsberg Wallbox is powerful. Combined with others, it's even more powerful. Thanks to its outstanding performance and communication features, up to 250 charging stations can communicate with each other. In this way, the available energy is used optimally. Dynamic load management avoids critical overload, and if desired, individual charging points can be prioritized. The Spelsberg Wallbox comes in 2 colors, Graphite or Polar. It is available in 2 models, Pure and Smart Pro, with cable lengths of 5 meters or 7 meters. Optional accessories such as pedestals and the weather protection roof give the Spelsberg Wallbox even more flexibility when choosing the ideal location for use. The connector holder, which can be easily turned to accommodate left-handed or right-handed users, provides a safe and secure place to stow the connector. With every detail of the Spelsberg Wallbox, we're setting new standards for design, quality, and connectivity. Impressive in power and design, the Spelsberg Wallbox.